I got in! Hi, I'm Steph.
I'm Stephanie.
And today we're at Econfina State Park and we are kayaking because that's what we do. So
Very much what we do.
Why are we here specifically though, Stephanie?
We are on a couple of reasons. We're on another one of my field trips for the Florida Master Naturalist program, but also I am working on a final project for that course. I guess we'll be addressing that in a separate video, right?
Yes, so we're also making 2 videos while we're here, but this video is just going to be about our kayak and our journey and about the beauty of this river. And we actually might end up in the ocean, right?
We are actually going to end up in the ocean. So this is, I believe, the last put in on the Econfina River before you get to the ocean, which is about 2 miles downstream. So this is technically an estuary.
All right, so come join us as we kayak.
Paddle about.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I saw it. Crab in its mouth. I'm getting right there with it. It's literally eating it. Oh, that's so cool. I just watched it eat it and swallow it. We have just finished kayaking Econfina State Park.
Econfina River State Park.
Yes. So this is a Florida State Park, and don't be surprised if you come here. It's not really anything. It's just kind of a place to park, and it costs $2 to park here. But I am a annual pass holder for the Florida State Park, so I put that in the window. There's not really a lot here. There is a place to hike. So last week we did actually come here, all excited to go kayaking, and what happened?
We heard thunder and they saw lightning.
So last week we decided not to paddle because we are smart kayakers, and it's not smart to kayak with thunder and lightning. So we ended up hiking around a little bit around here, and that was an adventurous little hike. I got about 30 ticks on me when I got home. I discovered that, so that was not as fun as you would think. And we also explored, Stephanie made me walk through water.
I did. It was just a little channel. It was set up so that horses can cross over it, because a lot of these hiking trails double as horse riding trails. So,
And what else did we see?
we saw 250 to 300 pound wild boar. It's about 25 feet down the trail from us. So we did not finish our hike. We turned around and came back. This is a very wild area. So it is a very small state park as far as the parking area, but there are about 14 miles of hiking trails. So it does cover a large area. It's very wild. There's one primitive campsite. So if you come out here, just be aware there are wild feral hogs.
We did see 4 manatees.
They're right there.
Oh.
So yeah, there are manatees up here.
Oh
That was perfect.
my gosh, I hope that was on camera. Oh my gosh, they like literally just flipped.
You can still see them. And we're not going over there to bother them. We're giving them space. But
Where is it?
they're over there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we were a little distracted by manatees that we just saw. That was the coolest thing. So this is a super cool place to see manatees off season, actually, because this is not the main season. So I'm still like literally looking like where manatees are. This is
They're still popping up
so
over
cool.
there. This is closer to the Gulf than the springs. They come up into the springs when it's cooler because it stays the same temperature. So this is where they are during the hotter seasons.
Stephanie just pointed out that the water is so much higher because the tide actually came in, and that's why I was able to get off differently, because before I got down, I got on the kayak from the steps. So that was interesting. I didn't even notice that. Seeing a manatee in person is in the wild, there's nothing like it. Like, you have to see it in person to really experience just how beautiful and majestic it is. It's awesome. All right, well, super fun paddle. Thanks for joining and have a great day.
Have a manatee day.
Manatees!